day 2 here in Don Juan. We're not finished yet here, so we decided to stay another day, but we did spend the morning to get some serious arsenal for this coldness because we can't stand it anymore. So she has extra pants, Kayla, extra pants, long sleeves, jacket,
2 t-shirts, 3 t-shirts actually,
gloves, 3 t-shirts, this for the nose, a hoodie. Megan has a whole tracksuit pants and a jersey and a jacket. We all got gloves and this and more. We're also a bit sick, so we need to combat the coldness, otherwise we're not going to survive and we're not going to enjoy it. So now we sorted for the cold, for the rain, for the scooter, maybe because even your legs get cold after a while. It's really cold outside and it's really chilly on that motorbike.
We are on our way to Lung Cú. That's the most northern part of Vietnam, and there's a flag and we're going to get our picture taken there. And actually if you stand there you can see China on the other side. We are super excited. The road is beautiful, it's misty, it's freezing, but we got some kit, gloves, it helps quite a lot, and we are ready for this adventure. We've just pulled over to Drona, but just look at this beautiful valley. It's absolutely gorgeous. So peaceful, quiet, and the road is quiet, there's no trucks. It's beautiful, it's nice. So for someone with no bike experience, I would definitely recommend it. It's not stressful. Just take it slow around the corners and the switchbacks and you would be okay.
We've made it to the flag, the most northern part of Vietnam, with one little teeny weeny bit of a problem. It is all covered in mist. We're in the clouds today.
Daddy, can we...
It's a lot of steps, isn't it?
Yeah, Daddy, but these are so tight.
It's about the hour's ride to here, and then I don't know how many steps, but it's a lot. And just to see a flag in the mist, not gorillas in the mist, flag in the mist. Don't fall.
Your beans are so tired.
Your legs, my lady. What's wrong?
Alex is so tired.
The legs. And it's because we've been going up all these steps from down there. Almost there, let's go. Nice. We're in the mist now. that was it for the flag. Unfortunately, the weather didn't play along. On a clear day, you'll be able to see deep into China, and it's so beautiful here. But today, all you could see is white mist and clouds. You can see once again a lot of development going on, getting everything ready, I guess, for next year. When the winter is past and it's not so misty all the time and not so cold. Our last day in Dong Bang. Everybody's getting ready. Kiddies are dressed up and good to go. We're gonna do it now. Probably the most scenic part, but also the most dangerous part. We're going to Mavic. It's quite a challenging mountain pass, and it's apparently very beautiful. We are entering Mavic. So we're halfway between Mavic and Yanmin. Yanmin was where we slept the first night. It took us a whole day to get there. Today we have to go all the way back to Hajiang, and the weather is actually terrible. It's there's a bit of rain in the air. It's cloudy, it's windy, and it's cold. We're getting cold, and we're putting rain suits on, not only for the rain, but to protect us against the wind, because it's really cold. But it's still so beautiful. This place is amazingly beautiful. The whole time you drive through these hills and mountains and rocks, it's truly amazing to witness it. If only we had some better weather. If you come in winter, during the winter you get you're probably gonna need a couple of extra jackets. We bought extra jackets. Hello. We bought extra jackets there in Mavic, not Mavic, and Van Dong Van. We bought extra jackets and extra pants, extra socks, mouth cloths, I don't know what you call it, gloves, everything, because it's just too cold. Look at them. They're freezing.
It's raining. It's getting worse. The rain is getting harder. I think we should move on.
Okay. What's up, Mama? Oh, traffic. Come, ladies. Come. So we here in Yen Min. We had a coffee and quick lunch. And as I was getting onto my scooter to leave, the back wheel was flat. So luckily there's an auto shop right 100 meters from where we were. I drove the scooter there and now they're fixing the tire quickly. Milani is off so long. She's a bit slower. She'll get a head start and then we'll catch up with her a bit later. And this is the scooter getting its tire repaired. And everybody's watching.